is Vasundhara and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is not a makeup specific video. It's not a tutorial, but it's all about my favorite brands and my favorite products. So there are a couple of brands and a couple of products which have found their way into my shelf like over and over again. I probably buy let's just say repurchase another particular bottle even before the previous one empties. So yes, I just love a couple of products in my whole makeup stash, and I'll be talking about all of them. They're not specifically in the makeup category, but a few of them are in the skincare category as well. And yes, I'll be talking about them all today. But I would just like to give a disclaimer first. It's not necessary that everything that suits me will suit you as well, or might have suited you earlier. But these are my preferences, my opinion, and everything that I'll be talking about today will be completely based on my opinion and how they have fared on my skin or my hair, let's just say. So yes, I won't waste any more time like talking, and straight away get in the video. Okay guys, so before we jump onto the part where I show you all my favorites, I would like to give a quick shout out to my sister who did this amazing makeup today. And yeah, you guys have probably figured it out that she's much more better as a makeup person than I am. But I'm still learning. I'm still learning every day, and I hope that I reach to her level someday at least. So yes, shout out to you, my little sister. I love you for the makeup that you have done on me today. I have just applied the lipstick, and that is the only contribution that I have in this whole look today. Now we'll quickly get on to the video. Alright guys, now we'll quickly get into the first set of my favorites, and which are all makeup. You all know how much I love makeup, and I really can't live without makeup. I like trying new products every now and then, and I think this is the only luxury brand that I have in my whole stash, and that is MAC. I love MAC. I love everything from MAC basically. So I did try using Huda Beauty's foundation once, but then my skin is very dry and it mattified my skin a lot. Though I looked good in my pictures, but my skin felt very dry and very dehydrated. So I kind of gave it a skip, and yes, I went on to my other foundations that I have. But anyway, we are not talking about them, we are talking about MAC. And the products that I basically own are a foundation, my Studio Fix Compact, concealer, my lipsticks which fell here, and a stroke cream which I have got like two chota miniature products. I mean not product, size of the stroke cream and the primer. And trust me you guys, I absolutely love the stroke cream. I don't think any other stroke cream that I have used so far has been able to give me that natural glow. So yes, if you guys really want to try on good makeup products and you want to splurge, you're okay in splurging, go for MAC products. They're totally worth it. MAC foundations, there's a huge range of foundations. It is meant for every single skin shade, and you will surely get one for your skin tone. So yes, if you really want to go for a nice brand, something that you would want to splurge in and invest in, then definitely go for MAC. It's beautiful. Everything from MAC is beautiful, to be very honest. Now we'll move on to my second set of favorites, which are from L'Oreal, and I love everything from that particular company. I love every single thing, right from their face wash to their skincare products, to their lipsticks, foundation, powder, setting spray, kajal, eyeliner, everything. I am in love with L'Oreal products, especially their mascaras. I think I own 3 mascaras from L'Oreal, and I love each of them like equally. One is this Volume Lashes, one is this False Lash Superstar, which I believe is an amazing product. The eye primer does the magic to your eyelashes, trust me on that. If you have thin eyelashes like mine and focus shade eyelashes like mine, go for this one. This is a beautiful product. And the third eye mascara that I have is the Lash Paradise one, and I love these 3 equally. I don't think there is any product from L'Oreal that I don't love. People who know me, they know my love for L'Oreal so much that if I'm out to buy something, as in a makeup or a skincare product or even a hair care product, and if I find something in L'Oreal, I won't look around anywhere and I'll pick stuff from there only. that is how badly I love my L'Oreal products. The current favorites I would say is this cream. I have been using this for like I think almost a year now. This is the Hydra Fresh antioxidant grapeseed hydrating aqua balm, and like I have mentioned so many times, my skin is very dry, and this particular product is such a beautiful product. I think I'm in love with it. Ever since I've started using this one, I have not looked out for any other skin cream, to be very honest. It just makes my skin feel so hydrated, so moisturized, and at the same time it gives that nice glow. You know how much I'm in love with the whole glowy part. I absolutely love this particular product. So I'll just quickly tell you the products that I own from L'Oreal. A couple of them are in my washroom, so I'm not getting them. So I own their clay shampoo, clay conditioner, their same variant ka face wash, which is the Hydra Fresh antioxidant face wash, the cream, and I have the eye mask. I have what is this? A blush, the infallible powder, which I love. Lipsticks. One is from the, I forgot the variants of them, yeah. Sorry, I'll definitely look out for them and I'll tell you. I love the Infallible Pro Matte collection. I have a new shade in that which I have lost again. I don't know, it might be in some stash or something. Then there is this one. If somebody can recollect the name, please let me know. I forgot it. I love the primer. I love the bronzer. I love my foundations. I have two shades from this. One is in the shade Caramel Beige, which is a little lighter to my skin tone, and then there is a Classic Tan, which I think is perfect for my skin tone. But whenever I want to give my skin like a little lighter tone to it, then I mix these two together, and yes, it does the magic. I have my gel liner from there, and I have my setting sprays from L'Oreal, and last but not the least, it's my Infallible Gel Crayon in the shade brown. So yeah, you guys can understand my love for L'Oreal, and I don't think it's dying down anytime soon because I love L'Oreal. And yeah, as many products they are going to launch, I am going to buy them all, that is for sure. And yeah, if you guys want to gift me something, please go to the L'Oreal section, and if you don't see anything here, please give them to me, okay? Anyhow, we'll quickly jump on to my third set of favorites, which are from Wet n Wild. And if you are following me on Instagram or on YouTube, you would know my love for Wet n Wild. So the first the first few makeup products that I bought from Wet n Wild were the lipsticks, the Catsuit liquid lip shades, and one was in the shade Missy and Fierce, which is a beautiful red lip shade. The other one is Nice to Fuchsia, which is again a very beautiful fuchsia lip color, and the other one was Mocha Brown or Coffee Brown, something on the names of these. I forgot the name totally, and I have been trying to repurchase it, but every time I go to Nykaa or Myntra, they are out of stock. So if you guys really come across that particular shade, please let me know so that I can really go and buy it, because I have never found a nude shade which is so perfect for my skin tone. And the formulation is amazing, the color payoff is amazing, the pigmentation is amazing, and I feel it lasts on your lip for very, very, very long without making your lips feel very dry and chappy. And these retail for just $4.99. Imagine, below 500 with such a great quality and such a great color payoff. I think this is nothing less than a steal deal, yeah. And apart from the lip shades, what I love are the lip pencils and the eye pencils. First, their size, they're like huge. I'll give you an example. This is the eye pencil, and this is this long, and I have sharpened it quite a lot of times, and it comes for only $129 or $139. I'm not very sure, but definitely lower than $150 for sure. So can you imagine getting something for such a cheap rate, for such an affordable rate, and with such a great quality? Do you really think you need something else in your life? No, right? So guys, go and splurge all your money in Wet n Wild products because they are amazing. And last but not the least, the star products of Wet n Wild, I feel, are the blush and the highlighting powder. Oh my god, the payoff and the way it makes your skin look, your face feel, oh, it's amazing. I love the glow that I get from this particular highlighter, and ever since, I think my sister got it first, and ever since I have used this one, I have not jumped on to any other highlighter particularly. I do try the Balm's Marie Luminizer, but I would any day go back to this one for my regular use because I love it so much. So if you guys are on a budget and if you want to splurge on something really nice, go for Wet n Wild products. I've used their foundations, it's good, it's really good. I've used the blush on. Don't go for the ombre one, but go for the color icon single ones, because the pigmentation is really amazing in those particular shades. The brushes are really good. They're very fluffy, they're very soft, and it works amazingly well on the skin. Definitely go for the catsuit lipsticks, the matte ones. Definitely go for the lip pencils, and also the mascaras are nice. I wouldn't say like they're amazing, but for the price that you get them for, it's worth it. It's worth every single penny you spend. Guys, now we have come down to my fourth set of favorites, and it's none other than Maybelline. So I kind of have a special connection with Maybelline because my first ever kit, my first ever makeup pouch had all Maybelline products, and I was so proud of having all those products back when I was in college. And I think even now I trust Maybelline equally as much as I used to back then. And there are a couple of products which are like my absolute favorite. I love them, especially their foundations. Both Fit Me and the Superstay, I think they are beautiful. The coverage that these two foundations give, bang on. I don't want to say anything beyond this, but the coverage and the quality and the shade range, I would say, is just amazing. And Maybelline, great job with these two foundations especially. And even the Fit Me loose powder, it's another beautiful product. The way it melts on your skin is amazing, is absolutely amazing. Earlier I had just one problem with Maybelline, that their lipsticks were not very mattifying, because I like putting matte lipsticks, but the range that they have come with the Superstay lipsticks and the sensational one, I forgot the name, the sensational liquid matte one, I think I don't have any sort of complaint from Maybelline anymore, because they have actually compensated enough for the complaint that I had earlier. And yeah, if you guys are just starting or beginning with your makeup thing, and if you guys don't want to like spend a lot on creating your whole makeup kit, go for Maybelline. It's like the most trusted brand that I can tell you all about. If you're a college going student, or if you're like a fresher and you want to go for good makeup products but in a budget, Maybelline it is. Just go for it, guys, just go for it. I love Maybelline. I love the mascara. I love the, what is this, a compact. I love the compact. This is, I think, the oldest product that I have. I forgot the name also. It's Maybelline Super Fresh, the white Super Fresh one. I think this one is the restocked one. I have actually got this like 6 months back or something, but I remember using this back in my college days as well. And I love Maybelline products. Yeah, I don't know, I'll just keep on saying the same thing again and again, but you guys do get the point, right? So yes, if you're in a budget, if you're a college going girl, or if you have just begun with your makeup, go for Maybelline. They have amazing range. Go for the foundations especially, they are beautiful. Maybelline, a big thumbs up to you. Guys, now we have come down to my fifth set of favorite, and I have a tie in here basically. So one is Lakme and the other is Khadi. So first I'll talk about Lakme because it has got skincare and makeup both. And Lakme, if I'm not wrong, you might have definitely heard it from your moms that they have used Lakme back in their times as well. I remember my mom talking about the nail paints and the foundation that they used to buy from Lakme and how cheap it used to be back in those days. Anyway, I remember during my growing up years, I used to rely on Lakme products a lot. So if you remember, there used to be a foundation that used to come in a glass bottle this small, and it's still there, if I'm not wrong, it's still available. And a lot of you who have just begun with their makeup still rely on it, like how I used to back in my school and college days. And then there used to be a liner, the Insta liner, which amazingly enough, it retails for the same price and the quality is same. It's still that beautiful. So I remember using it for the very first time when I was in class 10th and I was going for a dance performance or something. And I still love that product, yeah. It's very affordable. It's very affordable and it's very pigmented. Now they have come up with 2 new shades. One is green and blue. And can you just imagine how beautifully Lakme is evolving with times? Like, they used to cater to the generation that was before us. They are catering to every need of us. And I think as time goes by, Lakme will come up with products for everybody's need even then. So Lakme, I feel, is one of the most trustworthy makeup and the skincare brands that we have in the market right now. I especially love their kajals. So you might have seen me in my previous videos talking about how I love the Iconic range. I have three. Shit, I dropped something. Sorry. Anyway, I have three shades. One is the blue one, I have the black one, I have the brown one, and I love them. I trust them with my life. For kajal, if I have to buy anything, I think I'll still go for Iconic over any other range. And also the 9 to 5 lip shades. They are great. They are amazing. So again, like I'm saying, how I said for Wet n Wild and Maybelline, if you guys are on a budget and if you guys want to go for a good product, a trustworthy product, go for Lakme. They have beautiful products. Trust me on that. They have beautiful, beautiful products. So yes, again, a big thumbs up for Lakme for coming so long, for evolving with times, and for giving us such great, amazing products. Okay, so now I'll talk about my second favorite in this in the fifth spot, I would say. Again, like I mentioned earlier, no preference. I'm not saying I don't have any preference list here. I'm just taking everything very randomly, and that's how I'll be talking about my second favorites in the fifth spot. So it is Khadi. It's all natural, and they have got amazing skincare and hair care products. And if you guys are looking for something that is natural, that is affordable, and that won't be very reactive towards your skin, go for Khadi products. They are really, really, really good. I think I would recommend you a couple of stars. I would just say two of them at the moment. One is the neem basil and mint face mask. It comes in a powder form, and again drop this. Anyway, it comes in a powdery form, and then you have to mix it either with water or gulab jal, and applying it makes your skin feel so fresh and completely. You can just ensure that your skin will be free from all sort of acne the next day. And the other is the aloe vera shampoo. As you can see, I have emptied the bottle completely. I love aloe vera based products, like you all know, and this one does a great job. It doesn't have any chemical in it. It's all natural, and it makes your hair feel really soft and really smooth. And yeah, that's about it. Natural care is the best care you can give to your skin and your hair. So yeah, Khadi in my fifth spot along with Lakme. And with this, I wind up my top 5 favorites at the moment, which has actually turned out to be top 6. But anyway, we can kind of adjust it somehow. Alright guys, and with this we come to the end of our today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming this.